All right guys, welcome back to Addicted to Tinkering. I was using my little excavator here, my ME20. I'm loving this thing. I think we're up to 7 hours or so on it, and it's still functioning perfectly fine and does great. I had an upgrade, the cheapest upgrade that I could find for this thing, and I wanted to test it, and I forgot to install it before I used the machine, and then I was like, so what I did is I bought the little springs for the pilot controls. We're gonna put them in real quick and then just kind of test it real quick and see what happens. So this is pretty simple. You just lift this up. You see that little gap right there? Push this over to the side and slide the spring in. Just like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all of them on one side and not the other so I can feel the difference, and then once I get done I'll let you guys know. I'll be right back. All right guys, so my left hand has the springs in it, and side to side I can definitely tell a difference. This has much less resistance, so I feel like it'd be twitchier. The forward though, I would like to see a little more pressure on the forward, so I tried to double up the springs and put them in 2 springs in there, but that didn't work. All right guys, there you have it. We tore out the fence, took a whole 3 seconds. They feel smoother. It does work. I do think I'm going to order the taller springs just to try it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.